mission to travel to every country in the world.
Today we'd like to welcome you to Kathmandu, Nepal.
Let's go have some fun and we'll show you all around. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are a fun family of 5 on a mission to visit every single country in the world. Today we'd like to welcome you to our journey through the vibrant heart of Kathmandu, Nepal. Join us as we explore bustling markets filled with colors and aromas, wander through ancient squares with rich history, and savor some delicious momos, which is their local dumpling delicacy. But first, let's go back to Bangkok where this journey began. Good morning, good morning. Today is the big day. We are off to a new country, and this is super excited because never in my life, like literally, I don't know, like growing up, basically, it's still a shock to me. Even though we've been to 121 countries, to think that I'm going to Nepal is just like, what? Really? I can't believe it. So, here we go.
I am so excited to go to Nepal. I just can't wait.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited. And also, okay, so we've been in Thailand for a little bit over a month, just working, catching up on life and stuff, so we're ready to get out into the big wide world and travel again.
We're always challenged. I have to pack Tyler's suitcase. Like, what? Yes, I have to pack his suitcase. But his suitcase isn't really his suitcase because it's kind of like he gets this much space and then there's all the rest of the stuff, you know, all the technology and all these other things that go in, like laptop stands and like everything. So, and then we have to get down to 20 kg per suitcase, which is fine because we only travel with carry-ons, but we do have this big baby right here and it's always overweight. So.
Oh, now it's even heavier.
It's like 4 kg over. We're resorting to going to buy a new suitcase, another big suitcase, because it's just not gonna work. One thing we always do is on travel days, we try to wear our things that are the like heaviest on us.
Yeah.
So jeans, so we're wearing jeans. We're gonna be wearing closed-toed shoes. But because we're ready to fly, we're already wearing it right now, and it is hot.
We are going to like kind of like, it feels like you've been transported back to like the Middle East per se, or Pakistan, because it's like this whole area.
Well, we are going to be going through the Middle East on the way back home. We're trying to still hit up countries as we go, you know?
But I'm talking about this street right here. It's like going back there.
Yeah, we've got everything. Like the whole Middle East lives here in this part of Bangkok.
Yeah.
I was saying one other thing. Oh yeah, these narrow streets are getting us used to Europe, because in Europe it's going to be back to the cute little narrow cobblestone streets, which we're so excited to go back to.
That's the embassy of Pakistan right there.
Like we just said, we're in like the Middle East of Bangkok, and today is their biggest celebration of the year. It's Eid. So of course, every single store that is here is owned by people of that faith, and everything's closed. So to find a luggage store, I don't know if this is gonna happen. No. All good, all good. Oh, today we leave. We go to the airport today. Sorry. Oh. Good, good.
This is the one suitcase shop I saw the other day, and I'm like, oh, this would be perfect, but it is closed, unfortunately.
Closed.
Yeah.
Closed. People who speak French, they don't have to say ed at the end of their sentences. Not all people, but so they say it's closed. It's closed.
Oh, we gotta go to Chinatown. Actually, maybe we should.
We're running out of time though. We don't want to miss a flight over a suitcase.
No, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Well, I mean, airports sell suitcases too.
Okay. Yeah. No. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do to get a suitcase? What do we do then? Because these ones are quite expensive. They're asking like how much? Like $70, like close to $100 for them. We are in luck. Look at this. We found more. So we told him our budget, and he's telling us which ones we can actually get, and he takes a card. So.
And they're pretty good, yeah. I think
Okay.
maybe just one of these then, right? Like pink's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Does that work?
Yeah.
We got a winner. This will do.
Yeah.
Get all of our stuff inside. Yay. Awesome. That was really cool. So, winner, winner.
Look at this. Really nice color, really nice and light and big.
It's so light.
Good as gold. We're ready.
So light, and we are good for timing. It is only 10:15. We are good to go. Yay! Speaking of suitcases, we want to give a big shout out and a big thank you to Level 8 Suitcases.
Okay, now here's a little story time about suitcases. When we go on trips, we tend to buy a lot of stuff and end up buying big suitcases. In South Africa, we bought this really funny purple, cheaper one from like a Chinese shop or something. That one was hilarious. Last year in Malaysia, Ajlik and I got two. Then they broke the wheels, so then in Pakistan, Ajlik bought another one. So yeah, we tend to do this, so it's quite funny. Coming like a little...
We're gonna leave Chloe's suitcase behind,
yeah,
so
we
hopefully,
tend to leave them behind too.
hopefully someone will want it. When you buy something that's cheap, well, it's cheap quality. I mean, it kind of goes hand in hand, right? So, is the suitcase wheeling okay? Not really, and we're not sure how long it's gonna last us. Like, you know, it might last us a month, a few weeks, who knows? But the point is, it's gonna get us to where we want to go. So, in saying all that, I suggest you guys go check out the link for Level 8 Suitcases and get yourselves a proper suitcase, especially if you have the time, so that you don't run into issues with like trying to wheel it down a street and it doesn't wheel, or it breaks, or whatever. So, and I don't get a deal unless you guys get a deal. So use our coupon code and you get 10% off your order.
Now it is time to go see the rest of the family's reaction, repack our bags, get going to the airport. Hey guys, we're back. Come look at the new suitcase we got. Chloe!
That's your new suitcase for at least a few weeks. We're not sure how long it's gonna last, but
I should put
It's
some
so
nice. I really like it. We are gonna be taking a Grab to the airport. We've got all our luggage, plus the new suitcase we just got there. It is so hot here. Nepal will feel a lot cooler, which will be nice because I think it's like 20 something degrees right now there. We are here at the airport.
here we go. One thing we never do is do tax returns before we leave a country, but this time I thought about it, brought my passport along with me everywhere we went shopping, and you get your taxes back. So I'm gonna do that before we head out. Story time. Today is, I don't know how this keeps happening, but this is yet another day where the Pattons messed up when it comes to travel. So we were stamped in and we were over by 8 days. So it doesn't, like, they count the 30 days, and we didn't check that. I don't know why we didn't check that, but we didn't. We just ended up paying 20,000 bahts to the immigration officers to let us through, because you pay 500 bahts per day when you overstay. You're welcome. So that was very unexpected. Here I am trying to like save money and go get my VAT return, and then I ended up, boom, having to pay like 800 Canadian dollars to immigration.
Our money is always put to travel. For example, that money could have been our flights from this place to this place. So for us, it's very like, oh no, now how do we, continue on? So this is why it's really crazy.
Your seat back and footrest.
Here we go, we're about to take off. It is a pretty empty flight, surprisingly. This is what it looks like. Got a window seat here. On this flight, they gave us some pizza and it was quite nice, and often when we're flying, we love to video edit, get some work done, relax.
Shout out to JB, Jake Bryden. I wear this hoodie all the time in every single country, and it's kept me nice and warm. I'm a Justin Bieber fan. Is anyone else? Comment below.
I was hoping to see the Himalayas, but so far we haven't seen any yet. Look at these clouds. Oh my gosh, they're so fluffy. Look at that.
You ever seen clouds so cool in your life? It's like they're standing in a circle.
Here we are. We're in a new country. This is so exciting. Country 122.
Oh my gosh, we're already learning some fun facts. Did you guys know this is the national, the birthplace of Buddha?
So you you can get a visa on arrival here in Nepal, and how it works is you go to 3 different areas, one for the application, one to do the payment, and then you go through immigration.
15-day visa is $30. We are not going to overstay or stay in Nepal.
And they take pretty much any currency for the visa fee.
So I don't know how much money I'll need because we're going to be here just a short amount of time, but I still pulled out a good chunk. So hopefully we can cash convert it if we don't use it all up. But anyway, this is what it looks like. This is 1,000. 1,000 is about $7 US. A SIM card is about $7 bucks. 700? No. 700. So it's 700. So it's less for 25 gigs. That's amazing. Sometimes it's better to get an online eSIM, which we suggest Airlo, but other times it's just cheaper to do it while you get here. And as we're walking out, there are so many others as well.
So far it's really nice and fresh here, much cooler, which is nice. It looks like a lot of people drive small little cars. We're trying to negotiate a taxi. It's cool. It's not hot. Like you're not sweating hot. It's not like
was a lot more humid.
Feels good, doesn't it?
That's good.
check this out.
We're all cozy in our little
Squeezing in here.
squeeze in. Come on in,
This is how the
Angelique.
Pattons row. All the luggage in the back.
And
I don't like that. There's monkeys everywhere.
oh my gosh, they're everywhere.
It's not funny.
Why are there monkeys everywhere in the city?
What?
And we are here.
Time to check in.
Here we go. Staying at the beautiful Hyatt Place. Thank you. This is gonna be so refreshing. After a long flight, always nice. Yummy. Let's go see. Ooh. Not sure if I'm in the girls' room or our room. Oh, this is our room. Definitely our room. This is where we're gonna stay and call home for the next few nights at the beautiful Hyatt Palace here in Kathmandu. Woohoo!
Hyatt Place.
Oh, the taxi driver kept saying Hyatt Palace, Hyatt Palace. I was like, no, it's Hyatt Place, Hyatt Place. And he kept saying Hyatt Palace. I'm like, no, Hyatt Place. Now he's got in my head that we're staying at the Hyatt Palace. Oh, look at this. They gave us some yummy cookies. I'll try it. Looks good. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cool to show you guys in the morning. So this is a location that is very central to everything, and we're gonna show you a full-on tour, possibly starting even tonight, because there's like a really happening place where there's all the tourists, and it's Thursday night. On Fridays, it's like really, really busy, and on Thursdays, it's already starting to happen. There's night pubs and like bars and like nightlife, so we'll go check that out. It's called Kamel area. It's very touristic-y.
And this is our girls' room. It's very similar to the concept. Really nice couch area here with a desk and the big nice bed. What's really cool is they've got all these like artwork from the local area here, so that's pretty cool. Everything's really nice. You've got nice products, comfy rooms. Wi-Fi's really good as well for, you know, when we work online.
This is great. This bed, this sofa converts into a bed. So they have all the different sheets and everything all set up.
I am using, I don't know the name of it, but basically once there's a drive around, they'll all bid and you can choose the best price. Let me just cancel and redo it because I think,
What's it called?
no, it's not the
Let's
Uber of
see what it's
Nepal.
called.
So you put in where you're going, where you are, find a driver, and watch how this works. Just looking for a driver.
And you can see if it's like a car. And
Oh,
there you can
people are
accept.
bidding. See all the bidding?
So let's
You choose the
accept
best one. Which one are we choosing?
3-minute one.
It's 3 minute, this one.
Yeah, there you go.
And now he's coming.
Boom, done.
The app is called InDrive.
We're all going into this tiny little car. So, taxi ride to get here, and it was far. It reminded us of being in Pakistan because Angelique was on my laps. Last time we did that, like that tight was there. And we just arrived to Kamel. We're gonna go check it all out. But look at this, they have like all the Kathmandu. You can buy Kathmandu. In Kathmandu.
buy North Face. Like, look at these.
Look at, and they're nice. These
I should buy some like this.
And they're like. This is what we need for Africa.
This is what we need
I
for
would
travel,
totally buy
you
a pair
guys.
of
And like, look at the styles.
They're nice.
What?
Yeah.
Like they're stylish. Look at Colombia. Like all these clothes. Are they actually made here? Look at how stylish they are.
I know.
So gosh, they're
And the
so
material
beautiful.
too is like.
Whoa, look at all the jewelry.
Look at this. Whoa.
This is like amazing.
We just walked by a pizza place that has oven pizzas. They were $5.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that does sound good.
I know, but we can't eat pizza
We wanted to
for
try
our
some
first
local
night. We have to
food.
try local food because
Which
if
is
not, we're going to get
Momo?
bad
Yeah.
comments from you guys.
Guys,
So
look at all these
look
like,
at,
keychains and everything.
isn't that cool, you guys?
Look at this.
I was wondering where all the night pubs are. So there's one, but this whole area has lots of clubs and things going on. So that's what we're going to go find and show you guys.
I've been looking for like this like little backpack kind of thing. I might find it here. That's the thing I like about it is that it's unique. It's like a one-of-a-kind thing, you know, and you
This
never
is a
find
magic
it
one.
anywhere else.
Like this.
The magic one. Oh, it turns into a backpack.
Like a tote
Like
bag.
a,
You can see inside.
I think we found the zone that has more of the nightclubs and stuff here. And some of the local restaurants that we're about to go find. We had to walk a little bit further, but we're getting there.
We're eating everything. We found this restaurant. It's called McDonald's Food Cafe. It's not McDonald's, don't worry. It's traditional.
It was
food.
hard to find a restaurant, so a lot of them were closed down. The other
It's a
one was like
tandoori
empty.
restaurant.
Yeah, this I'm getting
Lots of
naan
different
breads and momos for the first time. And by the way, you get a plate. A heart. And then he looked at Julia.
No, he did not.
He did. We are putting it to the test because Angelique tried a chicken cheese paratha. Is it as good as Pakistan?
I say Pakistan is still better. I love their parathas there.
And I got
It's good though.
I got the version of the soup. Let's see. Oh, it's really good.
Chicken momos,
chicken
and they're
momos.
like the ones where it's like half fried, half steamed, I believe, right?
Is it spicy? What is it? Did you try that one? That one?
Momo's really good. It's like an Indian curry paste with it.
Really?
Yeah.
I really like momos, and I was looking forward to trying them here. So
How do you
excited
describe
about
them? How do you describe them?
It's like a dumpling. We got chicken inside. It's slightly different though, no?
I don't know. I haven't tried it
Then
yet.
yeah,
I
you have
gotta
that
try it.
curry kind of stuff.
All right, this is what a momo looks like. The girls say it's like Indian spice on it.
It's good, no?
It's like they took dumplings from Korea and then they mixed the curry like the Bratwurst in Germany where they put the curry sauce on it.
Currywurst, exactly.
Currywurst. But they did it with like dumplings and it's so good. I don't know if it's like that everywhere in Nepal, but at this restaurant it is and it's really yum.
Now, I think you guys should try this spicy sauce. A tiny bit on your...
No, thank you.
Please.
Dinner tonight came to 17 Canadian dollars. That concludes day one here, or night one, because we just arrived in Kathmandu. So tomorrow is going to be an amazing day, and I can't wait to come back and see all the streets and the bustling shops and everything that they have to offer. We are literally just getting started here in Kathmandu, so make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because our next video is coming out real soon. Thanks for watching.